it here. So today I have not one bag, but 2 bags and a home bargain haul. I could have probably squeezed it all into one bag, but there was like bags of crisps and kind of things in here that have been taken out since I brought the bags upstairs. But before I put it all away, I thought I would pop up and show you what I've got. So some of it is the same old stuff that I get every time, and I really do need to go to the Homebargains in Edinburgh because it's bigger and they do more homeware, which is what I'm looking to pick up. But every time I go, I get my faithful colour catchers. They're fantastic, colour absorbers. They're £1 for 30, and I always put it in anyway, you know, just in case I'm not sure if something's going to run. Sometimes it'll come out and it'll be full of colour, so I'm always glad that I do use them when I'm doing my my washing. Sometimes I've got a pair of black trousers that might have some, so I've got a pair of black trousers that I've got some orange through them, so like big orange flowers. So I put those in with the black wash, but I put the colour catchers in, and it always catches the colour and it doesn't run into the trousers. So usually I might think to myself, would I wash those on their own? But it's safe enough for me to put it in the colour catcher, which is good. What else do we have here? Oh, tried to buy some cheap, made a mistake, tried to buy some cheap washing up liquid when I was in Aldi. I thought, okay, it'll be fine, it'll just be like fairy. It wasn't. It was really watery and it wasn't my cup of tea. So I picked this up. I think this is always about £1.99 and they always have this size. It is pink jasmine, and I decant it into a smaller bottle that I keep beside my my sink and things like that. So there we go. I also needed some toothpaste. We picked up some Aqua Fresh. I think Brandon's keen on that. And when Lachlan was here to stay, he was dying to try it, apparently, because he liked the idea of the 3 stripes. He was so keen to try it, he used Brandon's electric toothbrush. Yeah, so he didn't even put it on, he just used it. He said he couldn't find his toothbrush, but it was right next to the, it's in his wash bag, but hey ho. He was that keen to try it. I thought, well, you can't stop a kid that's keen to try a new toothpaste. So this is a new one, I've never seen this scent before. So it's a Fabulosa Sangria. So it's a 4-in-1, it kills bacteria and viruses, cleans and shines, eliminates odours and has a long lasting freshness. And that makes 11.5 litres. Now, I tend to pop this in the bucket when I'm cleaning the floors. So what does it say here? It's highly concentrated, kills 99% of bacteria and viruses while eliminating odours, leaving fresh and long-lasting aroma in your home. Use on floors, worktops, tiles, sinks, toilets, bins, hard surfaces, baths, taps, drains, dishcloths, potties and commodes. And it tells you here how to use it, how to dilute it. I actually tend to use this just for when I'm washing my floors, but you can buy the sprays, which I do have one in wild rhubarb, and it's already pre-diluted. So once that finishes, I could use this and just top that up. But yeah, it smells, let me smell. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Yeah, definitely can smell fruity. And it's also vegan. And cruelty free, so even better. I was actually really surprised at how many products aren't vegan because they've got animal derivatives in them. I discovered that when I was trying to find the ingredients for that Lenore crease release. Yeah, that was an education. I always wondered why products like that said vegan. I thought, how's that? How can that be vegan? How can it not be vegan? Where are the animal products? And they were in there. So this is killed cold and flu viruses. It's the black cherry merlot and it's Fabulosa. It's the all-in-one disinfectant spray. This is amazing, this stuff. So it's got here toilets, bins, sofas. If you were putting it on any material things, I would definitely check it. I wouldn't use this on material without testing it. And it says here, toilets and surrounding areas, rubbish bins, kitchen sinks, door handles, baths and taps, showers, pet beds, sofas, couches, mattresses, upholstery, car seat, dashboard, steering wheel. So what I tend to do with this, so it's an all-in-one, is I tend to give it a shake, and I would use things like this. So it might sound really sad, but I like to disinfect. I like to clean my wheelie bins, and I like to disinfect the handles off them as well regularly. I think the bin men usually wear gloves, but I just think it's quite good to keep on top of these things. So things like door handles, and it's really good for around the sink and my wheelie bins. And sometimes I just freshen up my wheelie bin with this. I am that person. But there's nothing worse. I cleaned my wheelie bin out the other week there, and it just like, it smells so nice and fresh. I always put bags in my wheelie bin, but sometimes like the smell, like even, I've never cleaned the plastic or the cardboard one, and I'm going to do that when they get picked up this week. But the smell that comes from the cardboard one, I've never done that, and I'm thinking, how can a cardboard bin smell? So I'm going to disinfect all that, give it good, usually just use maybe some disinfectant and some fairy liquid and kind of clean it out that way. And then I'll disinfect the handles. I usually get the scourer out and give it a kind of good scrub, any marks on it. But once I've cleaned it, I use this to keep on top of it. So, just a light spray. Oh, if you love black cherry, you'll love this. Oh, it's amazing. So you can just spray this in bins, in the house, toilets, anywhere, really, around the sink. I mean, I wouldn't use this in place of cleaning anything, to be honest with you. I would still clean my bin, but I would maybe spray the inside with this. Anyway, I feel like I've spoken about that for ages. And I have got my usual handy bags for the rubbish. And I was looking for the compostable ones, and they don't have them. They only have the fruit bags. You know, like the food waste bags, which aren't big enough. So I need to go to Poundland. So I picked up some of my Wisdom Interdental brushes. So those are about $1.29. I've not given you the price for everything because they're, you know, sort of £1, £2. I did throw the receipt in here somewhere, so you might be keener to hear the prices of these things. Yeah, I picked these up. Okay. 2 of them. And they're the Wickford & Co. Cherry Blossom and Jasmine and Cotton Breeze. And they are luxury fragranced air fresheners. And I'll open them up and I'm just going to show you. So how much were these? You can actually scratch and sniff the packet. So if you want to smell what it smells like. So how much were these? These were 99p each, which I thought was a really good price. So I'm going to open them up and let you see them. I've never seen these before, and actually it's really, I like the packaging on this at the back. It's really easy to get into, and you know my issue with packaging. So it says remove from packaging and peel off the top label, remove the lid and inner foil to seal to activate the air freshener, replace the top lid and twist to control the fragrance flow. Avoid placing it on vinyl, carpet, plastic, leather or varnish surfaces. Keep upright to avoid stains. Do not place in direct sunlight. So, I'm going to get it out and I'm going to show you. So I've not got a clue what it is, to be honest with you. I just thought, oh, that looks new. I'll try that. So it's Cotton Breeze. It's a gel pot. There we go. So it's Cotton Breeze, and I know you'll be seeing the reflection from the ring light there. But I'm going to open it. The lid pops off. Oh yeah, you can see. There's 2 parts to this. So there's the foil here, which you take off. And inside there's the gel. So it's quite thick. And then you can peel this sticker off, okay? And pop it on. There we go. You put that on there. And it says you can control the scent, but I imagine that's if you were to leave the sticker on, you know, and kind of take it off. So it's got a really faint smell to it, to be honest with you. So I'm going to open the other one. I'm going to pop these in the bathroom. So this is a Cherry Blossom one, I love the smell of cherry blossoms. And I've got a thing about air freshener. Oh, that's lovely. That one's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I've just run out of my Marie diffuser, the fluffy towels. It's just finally finished on me, so I do need to get some more. I wish there were refills for it, but they don't seem to. Oh, that's lovely. So you just leave that, and obviously it just gives off a nice scent, and it's not very strong, so I don't know if you... Yeah, it's not very strong at all, so I don't know if it would take time if you put it in a room, if you would notice it, to be honest with you. But for 99 pence, I thought I'll try a couple of them anyway. And I have just showed you, I think I was talking about this the other week there, and they had them in Homebargains this week. So it's a bamboo interdental brushes. So I picked up my regular ones, and then I saw these, and I thought, well, I'll try them, because I'm always, the thing that puts me off the other ones is the fact that it's plastic, and you know, it's just going in the bin. So I wanted to try these ones, the bamboo ones. So I thought, what better way? It comes inside this packaging. But what better way to try it than, they were only, what, £1 each? Yeah, £1. The other ones are about £1.29. Yeah, so I thought I'm going to try this. There we go. That's bamboo. So that is more sustainable, I think, than plastic. And they actually look much better than the ones that I picked up from Primark. They were rubbish. They like done one tooth and they had to go in the bin. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these, because they've got a biodegradable handle, which is much better for the plastic than the environment than the plastic. So I did look at the bamboo toothbrushes, but they're just not for me. I can feel the taste in my mouth. Oh no, it puts me off. So those were 99 pence each. Oh, I picked this up from the Bath and Body section. How much was this? £1.19. So it's an exfoliator, a backwash belt. So I thought, how often do you think, oh, I'd love to give my back a good scrub in the shower. It's alright if you can shout somebody up to come and do it, but I never think. So this is the exfoliating part, and it's got this, so you can put it round and give your back a good exfoliation. So you can do it at whatever angle you want. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I'll let you know if it's any good, or even if you had a really itchy back. My husband's got one of these things. It looks like a fork. It's got like it looks like a pen with like a fork, that it extends, so it's a really good like back scratcher. I hate having an itchy back. I also picked up this bamboo pot. I thought the storage pot, it was £1.99, and I thought it might be quite good for brushes and things like that, or even just to put my toothbrush and my toothpaste under the sink in the ensuite, because I keep it in the bathroom, because I just don't like leaving it lying around. So I thought that might actually be quite nice. Or even if you wanted to put makeup brushes in it, so I can see myself getting some more. Bamboo's a lot more sustainable than plastic. Now I got 2 of these. They're 79 pence for the 9, but they smell amazing. The sugar dusted cherry and the raspberry ripple. I mean, sometimes I just put them in my little candle holders, but I try and, oh no, there's actually 18 for 79 pence. That's amazing. I just noticed there was 2 layers. 18 for 79 pence. I usually keep the plain ones for the wax melt, but if I run out, I will put these under, because I've got the ones that last for 8 hours, and that's fine, but I just wouldn't keep a wax melt on for 8 hours. So the smaller ones are probably better for it. So yeah, looking forward to popping these in. And I thought if I like the smells, I'll get the bigger candles, but I've got so many candles I need to use up first. So I need to start burning them. I never used to burn them. I was that person, that weird person. So Steve's been looking for a new pumice stone for ages. So this says it's a pumice sponge. You know the grey ones you used to get? Well, he's got it. But it was on like a little rope thing that but it's broken in half, and he still uses it. So I keep saying, I'll get you a new one, but this is a pumice sponge rather than a pumice stone. It says can be used with soap and water for cleaning and will help remove any dirt stains from your skin. It removes hard skin from hands and feet, making them soft and clean. Apply a little soap and warm water on the areas, gently rub with a pumice sponge, and then rinse with water. So rinse the pumice sponge under hot water after each use. So I don't know, it doesn't feel as hard as a pumice stone, and I actually think you could, I could put my fingers through it if I wanted, but you can get in that glare there. So yeah, be interesting. I spent about 20 odd quid. Steve said to me before I went, he says, what could you possibly be buying in Homebargains every week? I'm like, it's every month. I mean, I would go every week if I could, but I don't need to go every week. But these are all things that probably should come out of the household shopping. But I do like just to pop in at Homebargains and picking up some things. As I said, I will try and get to the Edinburgh one next month, where there's a bigger selection, and pick up some different things to show you. So anyway, thank you for watching. It means so much to me, and I really love doing the Homebargains. We're getting a B&M. It's coming to my area, and it's going to be one with a garden centre. So what I might do is when it opens up, I'll give you the come shop with me. Yeah, I go Homebargains with Brandon and Steve. Brandon or Steve. And I'm sure they would be off if I brought my camera out. Please believe me, they'd be off like a shot. So the B&M being local, I can just take a walk down, and I can do some come shopping with me and let you see the new store and the garden centre. I've never been to a B&M with a garden centre before, so I'm really excited for it to open. Hopefully the plants are cheaper than they are in a lot of places. We've got a Dobbies, and I went to Home Base, but we've also got a place called the Plant Market, so I'm looking forward to trying that. We're doing up the garden, and the next stage is actually getting some plants in. I might do a wee vlog if you want to see it, and show you the progress in the videos and what was there before. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye.